I've been making pots for about 40 years. I started in college when I needed to raise my grades up, and I knew that ceramics courses had a really good outcome for most people that took them. And something about working with clay and the malleability of it and playing in kilns with fire and stuff like that appealed to me more than my history major. I've been making functional pottery the entire time. All the professors I had in college were functional potters. Yeah, I like to make pots that people can use. I enjoy knowing that people are going to be using my pots for something other than just sitting on the shelf and looking at it. One of the pots I've been making recently in the last couple years, and I'm making a lot of urns for ashes, and the thing that I've really worked hard on is getting so the lids screw on and off of them, where I have a tap and die that cuts the threads in the clay, and took a while to figure out how to get them to fit the way I wanted them to, but I've got that down now. And to me, I would rather spend eternity in one of my pots than I would in a lot of some of the other ones you see at funeral homes. My daughter and her husband are trying to generate support and raise money to build a nice museum up there, so they have something that people can look at and come and see. And these 43 people that were killed in a disaster deserve better than that, and a bronze plaque on a rock. I've been participating in the Crackpot Studio Tour the whole time. I sort of stumbled into it, and you get to go out and see where we live and how we work, what our kilns look like. It's a different experience than going into a gallery or an art fair and buying a pot out of somebody's booth or off the shelf.